Hud-Son Warrior XL. XL, it is everything of that. This mill is oversized for many practical needs. Mill's got a 20 horse plus engine on it, V-twin, can handle a 36-inch diameter log, 31 inches between the guides. Comes with two 7-foot sections with the Hud-Son log dog system, cam style, to lock your log in. In addition to that massive engine and the bigger band wheels, that's also going to give you your bigger depth of cut. We have a manual scale here for your board adjustment. Dual read with your actual measurement and your quarter scales. Blade curve calculator right into it. The framing on the Warrior is a 4-post frame with vertical lift tubes. That supports the Hud-Son H-frame that carries the weight and balancing of that 19-inch band wheel and blade with these 2 1.5-inch pillow block bearings. This guide has shoes on top and bottom to support your blade lube system. The Warrior Sawmill can be ordered unassembled for the do-it-yourselfer. Save yourself some money and get this massive mill. To our commitment to building and designing strong equipment made out of structural steel, you are going to be able to pass this down to the next generation so they too can achieve their dreams. We'd love to hear from you, so let's get cutting.